Stop scrolling for a moment. What you are looking at might seem like just four small eggs on the ground, but hidden inside that tiny eggs is an incredible story of survival, camouflage, and one of nature's most favorite birds. While walking out of farm field, discovered something truly amazing. A perfectly hidden new lying discreetly on the ground. No tree, no branches, no protection. Just four beautifully speckless eggs resting among the soil and crop reside. The question is, how do these eggs survive an open field? Why would a bird choose such a dangerous place to raise its family? And what happens when protectors get too close? Stay until the end because this tiny needs nibbles on of nature's most investigation secrets. Welcome back to the channel. Let's begin. At a carefully explored the farm, everything looked normal. Dry stalk, fresh soil, a peaceful, contrasted landscape, but nature of offer hidden its greatest wonders in plain sight. Suddenly, we noticed something unusual. At first glance, it looked like a few stones lying on the ground, but after taking a close look, we realized they were eggs. For specifically compound eggs, bleeding almost completely into their stockings. This is the remarkable nesting strategy of the lopping bird. Unlike many birds that build eggs in trees, lops rather open ground. Their nests are often simple depression in the soil. This many sound risk, but nature has given this bird a unique advantage: camouflage. Take a close look at the eggs. Notice the dark spots and earth colors. These patterns help the eggs disappear into the landscape. From a distance, the area almost invisible. Predators can walk like past them without notice. This is nature defines as happens. Loving survive for thousands of years. Now imagine being a perfect bird. Your egg are settings in the middle of an open field. There are predators everywhere. Foxes, dogs, crows, snakes. At Smau, these tiny eggs remain safe. How? The answer lies in the behind of the lopping. The moment a product approaches the present bird becomes incredibly brave. Inside or behind it's the fade up to the threat, calling loudly, creating distraction, something in even pretness to have in indirect wind. The predator follows the bird's think it has found an easy meal. While the eggs remained hand and protected, the clever trick in called distraction display, and it is one of the smartest survival strategies in the world. Many people never notice these nests. Farm magician often passes nearby. People walk through wood every day. Yet these tiny families continue their life cycle. Nature is resilient. Every egg responds hope. Inside its shell, a new life is slowly developing, growing stronger day by day, waiting for the perfect moment to emerge into the world in incredible parcel usually latest around 4 weeks. During the time and parent bird remain alert, almost completely flawed. If you enjoyed discovering this incredible nest and want to see more amazing farm and wildlife adventure, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Which bird do you think builds the most interesting nest in nature? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, sometimes the most extraordinarily discoveries and hidden right button of it. Thank you friends. See you the next video.